In this video, I'm showing you 5 brand new AI tools that are flying under the radar right now. Tool number 3 is going to completely change how you make money online. Let's dive in. Tool number 1, the Video Killer. Okay, first up, you've seen AI video before, but you haven't seen this. Let's talk about Sora Pro. Previously, AI video was a glitchy mess. But look at this footage. The physics, the lighting, the reflections, it's 100% photorealistic. Why does this matter? Because you no longer need stock footage subscriptions. You don't need a camera crew. Tool number 2, the coding agent. Next, let's talk about building things. Even if you have zero coding knowledge, you cannot ignore Cursor or Devin. This isn't just a chatbot like ChatGPT, where you copy-paste code. This is an autonomous agent. It writes the code, it fixes its own bugs, and it deploys the app. I used this yesterday to build a simple tool for my workflow, and it took 15 minutes. 2 years ago, that would have cost me $5,000 to hire a developer. If you are an entrepreneur, this is your new superpower. Tool number 3, the Productivity Beast. Now, tool number 3. This is the one that saves you time. Enter Notion AI 2.0. Think of this as your second brain. It records everything you do, reads your emails, remembers your meetings, and organizes it all automatically. Tool number 4, the Content Multiplier. If you are a creator or a business owner, you need eyeballs. But editing is a pain. That's where Opus Clip comes in. You upload one long video, like this one, and it automatically detects the viral moments, crops them vertically, adds captions, and even translates them into other languages with my own voice. Tool number 5, the Research Genius. And finally, tool number 5, stop Googling things. Seriously! Google is for finding websites. Perplexity Pro is for finding answers. I asked it to research the best microphone for podcasting under $200, compare the specs, and read 50 Reddit threads to find real user complaints. The reality is, these tools are tools. They won't do the work for you, but they will amplify what you are capable of by 10 times. I'll see you there. Peace!